Hi, it's Tony. You're in Pop Pop's workshop. We're in a mess. It is utter chaos. I've got a couple of boards, some hard maple, some walnut I got from the Woodcraft that is going to turn into a project for a buddy. We're finishing up our JPW project. I got the first coat of General Finishes hard wax oil on there. Man, that looks great, making everything pop. But that's not what we're talking about today. In amidst all the unfinished projects, the projects in flux, and the projects to be, we're going to do a Gadget Corner on something we haven't talked about much. So let's get over there and check it out. Robot Corner is Gadget Corner this week. So we've got some robots. We've got our Wizmaker laser. It's a 20-watt diode laser. We've been tinkering with that, having some cool results, playing with it, and we've got some really good ideas for it. One of the things that you may have seen and other guys make is little medallions. Some of them are brass or bronze. Some of them are just wood. So I'm going to get some thin plywood and cut a few medallions with Pop Pop's workshop logo on there. Figure out my depth setting for my Forstner bit. That's going to be the tricky part. I know how big I want to cut them. I got a Forstner bit that big. Should be a good match. But I've got to work out the depth so that when I put that in, because it's lasered, I don't want to have to sand it or I sand off the logo. So that's a little project that we're going to be working on with the laser, in amidst making some customized coasters, some customized cutting boards, all kinds of things that you can do with the laser that we're really looking forward to expanding what we're doing with. So far, this is great. You can get one, grab one. I'll put a link in the video description on the Wizmaker. I think you'd like it. And got our two laptops. Why two? Because I may want to run both the laser and our Next Wave SD 101 CNC. So I've got separate laptops to run each of those. So as you can see, we need some organization. That's coming. We're going to be doing a video on putting a long table, basically a top with some supports that will take care of all of our stuff. Even down in the other part of this wall, which is Nana's workshop where she does her stained glass. So we got some cool ideas for that. And in the end here, we'll have our CNC going. I've done some tinkering with this. Let's talk about Robot Corner from a learning aspect. There is a learning curve to any of this stuff. Even though I got a small machine, some simple software, that's taken a little bit to get figured out. A couple issues with the software. We're finishing up a resolution on that. I'd like to upgrade the software at some point to make it a little more versatile. The stuff is, the beginner stuff it's okay. It's just not as versatile as I'd like it to be. So we may have to upgrade in the near future to do a few of the other things. But as you can see, we built a few of these little cutting boards, and I've got one left over. So my next project will be to slap that in there. Perfect size for this CNC. And we'll put something cool on there, maybe fill it with epoxy. Who knows? I've gotten into this craze of filling things with epoxy. The CNC is great for that. So that's our Gadget Corner, our robots, our laser, our CNC. What do you got in your Gadget Corner? Maybe you've got a 3D printer. If you do, tell me about it, because it's in the back of my mind. I got to get these things working first. Man, I'll have a fit if I do throw another robot in here before that's ready. So hopefully you found this entertaining. Probably not very educational, because we're just telling you what we've found. What are you running in your Robot Corner? What kind of laser do you have? What about your CNC? Do you separate the two out? Do you find that it's a problem having them in this close a proximity? What about running them together? There's lots of things that we haven't done that we could run into problems with that we are going to need your help in. So let us know. Educate us, as we need the education, definitely. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully you're doing something cool in your shop and it's not as chaotic as what we've got going on here. And remember, you can do this.